I like the way it looks from the front because it has this slightly aggressive touch.
This car with all those features, it's still like a smartphone with games, with apps on it.
Ich glaube, es ist die Verantwortung gegenüber unseren Kindern und deswegen fahre ich elektrisch mit Begeisterung.
We would never switch to petrol again because I think this is the answer that we should follow everywhere.
Und freue mich gigantisch auf das neue Model 3.
I don't see it as a replacement for this car. I think the Model 3 will be more a day-to-day use car that we'll use for shopping and going to the stores.
It's a much more fitting car for our region. We don't have streets that big and parking lots that big.
Nein! Geil!
So, lol.
You're going to drive it. Me? Yes.
Oh, Lord!
Really?
Yes.
Oh my God!
Wow!
Oh, that's much better than just looking at photos. Oh, it's so fluent. Oh, I like it. That's cool.
Lovely.
It is.
Oh, it's great.
Nice. Well, it's a beastie kind of car, you know? It's a fun car, it's a sportive car.
It feels good. It still feels like a Tesla.
I think I see now why some other manufacturers are afraid of this car coming to Europe.
It's some sort of a pioneer work with electric cars. I love it.
I wouldn't expect it to have so much space for me as a tall person.
It's just great. It's a fantastic car.